Good morning everyone. Our today's topic is logic gates. In that topic we want to see introduction to logic gates, what is logic gates and their various types. First we will see introduction to logic gates. In the decimal system which is used in our day-to-day life, the arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, square root are used to solve arithmetic equation. In 1850s, the Irish mathematician George Woolley developed a mathematical system for formulating logic statement with symbols so that problems can be written and solved in manner similar to ordinary algebra. This is called as Boolean algebra and it is extremely useful in the design and analysis of digital system. Boolean algebra is used to write or simplify the logic expression. To solve or simplify the logic expression used in digital circuit, we need to use logical operators. There are three main types of logical operators. First one is NOT operator, second one AND operator, and third one OR operator. In the NOT operator, the NOT operation represents a process of logical inversion called as complementing. This operation changes one logic level to the opposite logic level. Means if their input is logic 1, output will be logic 0. Means or output is, if input is logic 0 and output is will be logic 1. Means what? If their input is 1, output will be 0, and if input is 0, output will be 1. Second operator is NOT operator. AND operator. The AND operation produces a high output only if all the inputs of a logic circuits are high. The AND operator represents logical multiplication. It is denoted by a dot between two variables to be multiplied. Means A into B. For example, A into B. Next operator is OR operator. The OR operation produces a high output when any one or all the inputs of a logic circuits are high. The OR operator represents logical addition and it is denoted by a plus sign between two variables to be added. Now we'll see what is logic gates. Logic gates are the logic circuits which act as the basic building blocks of any digital system. It is an electronic circuit having one or more than one inputs and only one output. The relationship between the input and output is based on a certain logic. Depending on this logic, the gates are named as NOT gate, AND gate, OR gate, NAND gate, NOR gate, etc. We have to use different laws, rules and theorems to analyze the digital circuits. By connecting the gates in different ways, we can build circuits that can perform arithmetic and other functions. There are two important characteristics of logic gates. First one is truth table and second Boolean expression. What is truth table? The operation of a logic gate or a logic circuit can be best understood with the help of a table called truth table. In that truth table, it consists of all possible combinations of the input and the corresponding state of output produced by that logic gate or logic circuit. Next definition is Boolean expression. Boolean expression means what? The relation between the input and output of a gate can be expressed mathematically by means of the Boolean expression. Next we will see classification of logic gates. There are various types. It can be classified into three main types: basic gates, universal gates and derived gate. It is also called as exclusive gates. Basic gate consists of AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. Universal gates are NAND gate and NOR gate. It is called as universal gates because of they can be used to construct any other gate type. Any combinational circuit can be constructed using only 2 or 3 input NAND or NOR gate. That's why it is called as universal gate. And third one is exclusive gates. It is XOR gate and XNOR gate. First gate we will see AND gate. The AND gate has 2 or more inputs and only one output. The input will be A and B and output will be Y. Their Boolean expression is Y is equal to A into B. This is the gate which perform a logical operation multiplication, which is commonly known as AND function. This gate is called an AND gate because the gate gives output will be high when all input values are high. The output is low or 0 when any of the input are low or 0. Symbol and truth table as shown in figure. Truth table shows there are 2 inputs A and B and output will be Y. As shown in figure, if we apply input 0 0, we get the output 0. First case. Second case, if we apply input 0 and 1, output will be 0. In the third case, if we apply input 1 and 0, output will be 0. And if we apply both inputs are high, means 1 1, output will be 1. Means we get the clear idea. If output of the AND gate is high only when both the inputs of NAND gate is high. Otherwise their output will be 0. Means any one of the input is 0 of the AND gate, output will be 0, and both inputs are high, output will be 1. This is the AND gate. Next gate is OR gate. The OR gate has 2 or more inputs and 1 output. A logical operation or addition which is commonly known as OR function, means it performs the addition between 2 variables. This gate is called an OR gate because the gate gives output high only if any or all inputs value are high. The output is low or 0 when both the inputs are low or 0. The symbols of OR gate and truth table as shown in figure. We will see, we get the clear idea by the truth table. If we apply for see the first case, if we apply input 0 0, we get the output 0. If you apply input 0 1, output will be 1. If you apply input 1 0, output will be 1. And last case, if you apply input 1 1, output will be 1. Their Boolean expression is Y is equal to A plus B. Means it perform the addition between 2 variables. Means in the OR operation, their output is 0 when both the inputs are 0, and output will be 1 or high when any one of the input is high. This is the OR gate. Next one is NOT gate. It consists of single input and single output. It is also called as inverters because it does the inversion of applied binary signal. The symbol of NOT gate and truth table as shown in figure means it is a single input and single output. If you apply input 0, output will be 1, and input is 0, then output will be if input is 0, output will be 1, and input is 1, output will be 0. Next gate is NAND gate. In the NAND gate, it has two or more inputs terminal and only one output terminal. The term NAND can be split as NOT dash AND, which means that the NAND operation can be implemented with the combination of AND gate and NOT gate. Means the NAND gate is equivalent to a AND gate. The symbol of a two-input NAND gate as shown in figure, where bubble on the output side represent inversion. The truth table of a two-input NAND gate as shown in figure, which shows that the output is low if and only if both the inputs are high. Simultaneously, for all other inputs combination, the output voltage will be high. NAND gate is also called as universal gate because we can construct AND or NOT gate using only NAND gates. That's why it is called as universal gates. Their Boolean expression is y is equal to complement A into B. Yes, I repeat again. Their output is high when any one of the input is low. It shows the complement of AND gate. And output is when both the input is high, output will be 0. Next gate is NOR gate. This is another universal gate. The word NOR can be split as NOT dash OR, which means that a NOR operation can be implemented with the combination of an OR gate and a NOT gate. Means NOR gate is equivalent to a OR gate followed by a inverter as shown in figure. The symbol of a two-input NOR gate as shown in figure, where bubble on its output side represent inversion. The truth table of a two-input NOR gate as shown in figure, which shows that the output of a NOR gate is high if and only if all the inputs are low simultaneously. The output of a two-input NOR gate is low if any one or all the inputs are at high level. Means it shows high output only when both inputs are 0, and it shows 0 output when any one of the input is high. Now we will see next gate, XOR gate. The gate has two or more input terminal and only one output terminal. The exclusive OR gate is abbreviated as XOR gate or sometimes as XOR gate. An XOR gate having, we already discussed, two input terminal and only one output terminal as shown in figure. The truth table of a two input XOR gate as shown in figure, which shows that when both the inputs are at identical logic levels, means A is equal to B, the output is low. For example, y is equal to 0 for A is equal to B is equal to 0, or A is equal to B is equal to 1, and the output is high when A is not equal to B. Means what? XOR gate has the output only high when an odd number of inputs are high, and the output is low when both the inputs are low and both the inputs are high, as shown in second and third case in truth table. The logical expression is y is equal to a XOR b. Next gate is XNOR gate. The XNOR gate has terminals like OR gate, for example, 2 or more input terminal and 1 output terminal. The XNOR gate has the output only high when both the inputs have the same values, either high or low, and the output is low when an odd number of inputs are high. When both the value of same at the input, out means what? Both the value is same at the input, output will be high. For example, first and last case as shown in truth table. Their Boolean expression is y is equal to XNOR a XNOR b complement. Thank you.